Put it out the coupe in the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck swat. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bailey. Today I'm doing... I don't even know what this video is. It's kind of like a day in my life, but it's also me just trying to be as productive as possible in the least amount of time. I just want to point it out. My nails are extremely grown out right now. I woke up at literally 2 p.m. today. I know that's actually like embarrassingly bad. I just got done filming an Instagram story that I've been meaning to film, so that's one productive thing done. I'm about to head to the gym, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff. It's Sunday, so kind of just like shop for the week. I do a lot of my own grocery shopping just because my dad never gets the stuff that I like, and I never know what I want ahead of time. He's always like, tell me what you want me to get at the store, and then I can never think of anything, and then he gets back from the store and I'm like, shoot, I should have said this. So basically I just go shopping for everything I forgot to tell him to get, and then, you know, I've been working out a ton and I'm so happy. Today will be my 5th day this week going to the gym, so I'm honestly feeling very proud of myself. So I better get started because after I do my grocery shopping and all of that, I also need to clean my room, do homework. Like a lot of homework. I have so much. So basically there's like 9 billion different explanations for why my engine light is on or could be on. Oh well. Hey guys, so I just got to the gym. I'm gonna take my pre-workout and then I'm gonna go in and get some upper body in. I'm so exhausted right now. I was just like driving and I was like falling asleep. Not really. Like, that sounded unsafe. So hopefully this pre-workout wakes me up. Alani knew Breezeberry. The cap was just not on. I do like that much just because I'm very little. I don't feel like I need a full scoop. Like, I'm not going that hard. Okay, got my protein drink for after my workout, as well as a granola bar just so that I can get something in me because I am going to the grocery store like immediately after. I'll try to film some of my workout on my phone, but y'all know the drill if you're following my TikTok. I hate filming at the gym just because people make me feel uncomfortable. It's just like an uncomfortable feeling, especially like when it's busy, and it doesn't seem like super busy right now, but it's like still like pretty busy. Eventually I will film a workout routine, and when I do that I'll probably come to the gym at like 6 a.m. so that nobody is here. I'll show you my outfit when I get in there, but my shirt is from Lulu. Well, it's not really a shirt, it's kind of more like a bra, but shirt's from Lulu and my pants are from Gymshark. So guys, so workout is complete. I'd say it was like a pretty successful workout. I didn't really film all of it. I was able to film some of it, but it's all from like really shitty angles. Lately I've just been getting most of my workouts on Instagram from like 3 of my favorite like fitness influencers, like, I don't know what you call them, fitness people. I love Callie Fuller Fit, except she doesn't post that many workouts anymore because she has like her own program that you have to pay for, but she still sometimes periodically posts them. I'm gonna head to the grocery store and that should be so fun. I don't even know what I want to get because I don't really want to do the whole like meal prep thing. I'm not in the mood, but I'll probably do like something, at least pack a few things. Okay, so I'm at the grocery store. I'm just picking up some snacks. I'm not gonna get as much just because I will be out of town for a few days, and I'm gonna bring some of this to Milwaukee with me because no one ever has food at his house, but it's just gonna be a very light haul for the grocery department. All right, just finished up in the grocery store. Oh my god, I'm stressed out. Currently 6:17, so I've been at my productive day for like 2 hours now. I'm gonna go home and put these groceries away, and then I'm gonna cook this. It's like a taco pasta type thing. Okay, I got back from the grocery store. I got ingredients for this like pasta salad, or no, taco salad that I'm gonna make. 5 of these ones. Oh wait, no. Plain Greek yogurt, which is disgusting, but it's for my smoothies and the pasta that I'm about to make, which is kind of strange. Pepper, onion, cucumber, tomato, ground turkey, taco seasoning, cilantro. Camera died. I chopped up the onion and the cilantro for the pasta. I'm about to put the onion, the turkey, and some garlic in the pot. Stirring, occasionally cook until turkey. I'm gonna dice my tomato. I didn't buy pasta. You know, I don't know. That seems about good. Okay, hey guys, so I finished my pasta. It looks low-key really good and it smells really good. I really hope this is good. I assume it'll be good. Like I said, it looks really good and smells good.
In the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Hey guys, so I didn't necessarily clean my room. It doesn't look clean because this whole area just cannot be cleaned right now. When I go to Milwaukee tomorrow, I need to go to IKEA and get a new desktop because this one does not like fit. Here, I'll just show you. Like, it obviously doesn't fit this way. Like, it needs to be wider. It's already 10:30 and I want to get at least a few assignments done. So I'm gonna do some homework and I will catch back up with you guys after that. Hey y'all. Funny story. My hair is just don't talk about it. So I was doing my homework, right? I fell asleep afterwards and now it is it's now 12:44. I look like a mess, but I wanted to show you guys a little snack box that I made. It has pistachios, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, cucumbers, and cuties. And then I put my leftover pasta in these containers, if you can see there. The other 2 compartments are empty, but I might just end the I think it's time to end the video actually now, like immediately. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you guys want to see like more videos like this where it's just like a day in my life, let me know because they're super fun to film for me and it's just like easy, but I feel like it's entertaining. My hair is so frizzy. Perfect. Love it. Thank you. So if you guys want more like day in the life videos like this, let me know. I love you guys so much. Okay, bye.